this is Katina Franklin Sweetie, and in this scale tutorial I'm going to show you how to play a 1-octave C major scale. So even though C is the scale that we all start with because it doesn't have any sharps and flats, it's actually a difficult scale to play on the clarinet because we have to go over the break. So we're going to start here on C. You have your thumb down in the back, E, D, F, C. Keep this hand, your right hand, curved and close. You're going to have to be playing over the break after you hit A. You might as well start here with a good hand position. You have C, D, E, F. Keep these fingers close too. Don't let them bunch up, especially for G and A. I see a lot of A's played like this. Keep them close because you're going to go right to B. So everything is going to be down. All right, we're all down here for just like the C, and then down here you can put this pinky down on the C key right from the beginning. The B, you're going to add that one right there, and then the register key is down in the back. There is a way to make playing over the break a little easier. I have a video about that one as well, but you can play the A with this hand already down. Okay, if you find that you're too flat though when you play the A, you're going to want to lift that up. So we're on B, the full B right there. All you're going to do is lift up your left hand pinky for the C and then put it back down for the B. A is right there, everything up. Keep this thumb close by in the back. G, F, E, D, C. Happy practicing, and if you have any questions, please comment below. Thank you for watching.